How do ZESTRON engineers help our customers? Do you have problems with the existing cleaning process? The cleanliness of cleaned assemblies or power modules is not satisfactory. Or are there even difficulties with the acceptance of products by the end customer? In these and similar cases, our customers turn to ZESTRON. The first step is a thorough assessment. Together we discuss the existing process and filter out what possibly causes the problem. Particular attention is paid here to whether changes have been made to the cleaning process in the recent past. After all, the causes of problems can be manifold. A change of cleaning machine, agent or a delayed bath change, or a different solder paste. All of these parameters can have an impact and worsen the process in the worst-case scenario. The good news are that the problem can often be localized by taking precise photos of the assemblies in question. ZESTRON's in-house analytics and the expertise of our engineers are also at your disposal. This involves troubleshooting together with the customer, in which parameters are checked and adjusted until the perfect solution is found. As a result, we have already been able to help many of our customers to optimize their cleaning process. Do you need a cleaning process or would you like to optimize it? Please feel free to contact us.